The National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, sdang menteri kampura ha Sohra na du rimpang minta usnam, wala ka jingtrei ya kate ka jaka puli ka bapau nam kadangnya chakmat minta. Habakran ba umau pon director ke NIT Meghalaya u Pinakeshwar Mahanta ulayathu ba di khmi linti ba la kumnu ka jingtrei ya kani ka jaka puli kabla satang kumba arpau pesan kan daplut hau naitung mentau snam shwa kani ulethu badangshan namar ka jingther jong ulabba bajut kladan ka jingthun ha ka boarding bat kumju ha ka liang ka jingtrei kam ka internet ni wifi henry menta kini baro kilatre kam lun.
We have shifted literally from 3rd of February and semester started from that day. And all the hostels, catering, electricity, everything has been restored and this is working fine. Time to time there are small issues and those are actually taken care by our maintenance and engineering section. Students are now in their mid-semester examination, they are appearing and everything is going fine. In between, when we entered here in the campus, in last week there was a hailstorm. Because of that there was a severe disruption of electricity, Wi-Fi, but we restored it next day. And there are some leakages also we noticed because it is a new construction and all were repaired. Now everything is normal. We are thinking to complete the whole activity. Another 20% work is left out. Because of dearth of workers, it could not be completed. Now we are taking a decision to complete it by 30th of July. So this is the very brief about this whole thing. And district administration is also helping us. We had a series of meetings with them regarding safety and security, etc. We are in constant touch with them. I'd like to announce that there will be 2 events. On 1st of April, Institute Foundation Day is observed. This year also we are observing for the first time in the permanent campus. Professor Amitabh Ghosh is the chief guest of this particular event. He is a INSA professor, emeritus professor, and he was the former director of IIT Kharagpur. He will be delivering one extramural lecture. Apart from that, Professor Rakesh Saigal, he was the director of NIT Srinagar earlier and now professor of NIT Hamirpur. He will be delivering another extramural talk. Apart from that, from Technical University of Hamburg and University of Hamburg, few special guests are coming. We have a tie-up with them for exchange of students, exchange of faculty, collaborative research. They will be also gracing the occasion. So I invite you all to attend this particular function. Apart from this, we have actually one students cultural festival. This is the annual cultural festival for the students. This year we are going to celebrate it here in Sohra from 3rd to 5th of April. So there will be a lot of activities amongst the students and competitions. So I request the young generations to join us for this particular program. Thank you very much. God bless.